Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you multi-use of bandana scarf to make your outfit stylish. For this you only need a scarf. Take any small or big scarf. Tie it like a band on your wrist. Can also tie on ankle. Tie it on hair like a hairband. Wearing like a band inside the cap. Tie a scarf to the side of the bag. Tie a scarf around the neck. Hang a scarf on jeans loop. If your jeans is loose, you can tie it with a small scarf like this and tie a big scarf like a belt. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to subscribe, like and share.